In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the contents on a Word page. Locking the contents of a Word page is a useful way to prevent accidental changes to important text, tables, or formatting. Whether you're preparing a template, a form, or a final document, Microsoft Word provides features to restrict editing and protect your work from unwanted modifications. To start, open the Word document you want to protect. Position your cursor anywhere in the document or select the specific text or section you want to lock. If you want to lock the entire page, make sure all the content is included in your selection, or simply place the cursor at the beginning of the document. Next, go to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In this tab, you'll see a section called Protect, which contains the Restrict Editing button. Click on Restrict Editing to open a panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel allows you to control how the document can be edited. In the Restrict Editing panel, check the box under Editing Restrictions that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. From the drop-down menu, you can choose No Changes, Read Only. This ensures that users cannot modify the text or other content on the page. You can also allow limited types of editing, such as filling in forms if needed. Once the restrictions are set, click the Yes, Start Enforcing Protection button at the bottom of the panel. Word will prompt you to create a password. Enter a strong password and confirm it. This password is required to remove the protection later, so make sure to remember it or store it securely. After setting the password, your page content is locked, and anyone trying to edit it will be restricted according to your settings. If you need to unlock the page later, simply return to the Review tab, click Restrict Editing, and select Stop Protection. Enter your password, and the document will be fully editable again. By using this method, you can protect critical content in your Word document, maintain formatting, and prevent unintended changes. It's a simple but effective way to ensure the integrity of your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.